Is your Google Photos storage full on your phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 different processes to free up your Google Photos storage and fix the storage issue. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Delete unnecessary photos and videos. Open the Google Photos app, tap on the profile, tap on the account storage. Here you get an overview of how your storage is being used. Now tap on large files. Now find out and select your unnecessary large photos and videos from here. This can help you most to free up your space. Solution 2. Use another Google account. If the first process didn't help you, then use a second Google account to store your important photos and videos. Hopefully this will help you out. Solution 3. Upgrade storage. If you're running out of free storage and you want to keep your photos and videos in their original quality, consider upgrading your Google One storage plan. This additional storage can be used across various Google services, including Google Photos. This is how you can fix Google Photos storage full problem on your device. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.